I I went to the park yesterday with my family. Did you hear that? I wented. She said wented. That's not even a word. I just wanted to try. Sam, I need to talk to you.
Of course, Emily, what's going on?
Honestly, I feel really sad these days.
Oh no, what happened?
My friends always laugh at me when I speak English.
They laugh? Why would they do that?
Because my English is not good. I try to talk, but I make many mistakes.
Oh, I understand. That must feel very bad.
It is. Every time I try to say something, they laugh. Every single time.
That's not fair.
It is. Every time I try to say something, they laugh. Every single time.
That's not fair.
I know. It makes me afraid to speak.
Afraid of what? Start with the simple present tense,
Why that one?
because it is the most important tense for people who are starting. Really? Yes. We use it every single day for habits.
For facts, for things we do in daily life.
Exactly. Let me show you. I wake up in the morning.
Oh, I see. Daily life things.
Right. Then I get dressed and head to school.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth as well.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
See, these are all simple present sentences.
Oh, we use it to talk about our routines, right?
Simple, isn't it?
Yeah, that makes perfect sense now. Yes, it is easy to understand.
And it is powerful. Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes, but not often.
Why not?
Because my family does not speak English.
That's fine.
Practice with your friends then. But my friends laugh at me.
Then practice with me.
Really?
Of course. I will help you anytime.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Let's start right now. Simple sentences first.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great! Let's practice.
I'm following you.
You're doing great, Emily.
I go to school.
I go to college.
I read books.
I read novels.
I like music.
Great. These are clear and simple.
Yes, very easy to say.
Try a few more by yourself. Okay.
I drink milk.
Good. Good.
I eat rice.
Excellent.
I walk to the market.
Nice.
I play with my sister.
Wonderful. You are getting better fast. What?
Do you think I can really get better? Are you proud of me?
Of course you already are. Keep practicing every day.
I will, thank you.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up early. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat?
I eat bread.
What do you drink?
I drink tea.
What do you eat sometimes? Sometimes eggs.
I do not eat eggs. Then what do you eat?
Rice and vegetables.
That's nice.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to the office. I go to college.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I do. I work hard at my job.
I feel happy when I study.
And I feel happy when I work. My teacher speaks English in class. Do you understand her?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Don't be shy.
But my friends laugh when I ask.
Their loss. You have great questions.
You think so?
I know so. Be brave. Forget them.
That is easy to say, not to do.
I know, but you have to try.
Okay, I will try.
You spoke well today, Emily.
Really? I feel a bit better now.
Good. Keep it up.
Thanks, Sam. I feel more sure of myself now.
I'm glad to hear that.
But I still make mistakes.
Everyone does.
My friends don't.
They do, but they hide it
Then why do they laugh at me?
because they don't know what learning means.
I feel bad when they laugh.
Don't care about them. Care about your progress.
You're right. Short stories. I like poems too.
That's nice. Do you read out loud?
No. Silently.
Try reading aloud. It improves your speech.
Oh, I didn't know that.
When you read aloud, your mouth and mind work together.
Well, I'll start reading aloud.
Do you watch English movies?
Not really.
Use subtitles. They help you learn new words.
I don't like subtitles. But okay, I'll try.
Watch one English movie every week.
I will do that.
Tell me more sentences.
Sure. I clean my room. I write in my notebook.
Good. Keep going.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
Great. I play with my brother.
I sing a song.
Good. I draw pictures. Nice job. I play cricket.
I play badminton.
Do you play every day?
No, only Sundays.
Why only Sunday?
I work on other days.
Oh, I understand. Do your friends speak English?
No, they don't.
Then practice with me. Okay, I will. Do you eat ice cream?
I like chocolate flavor. I like vanilla.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea.
I drink tea every day, too.
Me too.
Me too.
What do we practice tomorrow?
Let's start simple future tense.
I will practice every day.
Exactly! You're already learning!
I will speak English with confidence.
I will be here to help you.
We make a good team.
The best team. Friends forever? Friends forever.
Thank you, Sam, for everything.
Thank you, Emily, for trusting me.